we're going to do some letter sounds first. These are phoneme cards, letter sound cards. Then we can do some pictures. And last, we're going to do your name.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Good.
Okay. So do a few of these. We won't do all of them because there's quite a few. We're going to do 20. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Can you tell me,
Ba.
what's the sound?
Ba.
Ba. Oh, say it again.
Ba.
Nice. Good job. What's the sound?
Ba. Ba.
Have a look again.
Ba. 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 B.
What's the sound?
Ba. Ba.
Okay. And this one.
La. Potato.
W, what's the sound?
La.
What? Good job.
H. H.
What's the sound? Okay.
To it.
Okay.
Red.
What's the sound?
E.
What's the sound?
Yak.
Like yuck.
Yak.
What's the sound?
Yak. Yak.
Yeah, yeah,
Yak.
yeah. Okay. What's the sound? Nice. K.
Two. One. One.
It's not one, it's the letter L. What sound?
Old. Oh. Oh. Lung.
What sound?
Lung. Lung.
Nice. I know you think it's the one, but it's not the one. I'll come back to that one.
Sight.
What's the sound?
E.
What's the sound?
C. Slow.
Z. Very good to say.
C.
Together, isn't it? What's that one?
Rabbit.
R for rabbit, yeah. What's the sound? Sound.
Ow. Okay. Ah.
What's the letter R, yeah?
Ah.
What's the sound?
Halloween.
Oh, should I put this one away?
Yes.
Okay.
Ah.
Ah, okay, thank you.
Bat.
Nice, thank you.
No.
I think you're all right. Feels like you're on yes.
Mm.
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 That's good, thank you.
Good.
Good. Okay, thank you.
Good.
Not fish, but you did a good sound. It was a good sound. This one? This one?
Ooh.
Good job. Ooh, nice.
G. G.
Good girl, nice.
Ted.
TH, yeah. What's the sound?
Ted. Bunny.
What's the sound?
Fish. No.
No? Okay. Put that one away.
Green.
What's the sound?
L.
Sound. Look, you said it. Do you want to say it again?
No. Ah. Good. So. Gay. No.
What's the sound?
No.
What's the sound that one makes? It's good looking. What's the sound? Two more. Then we finish with the sounds, yeah. Can you do this one? Cooker, nice, thank you.
No.
Just two more. Remember I said two more. 1, 2. This one?
Yum. Yum.
What's the sound? What's the sound?
Sit.
What's the sound? Okay, do you want this one instead?
Yeah.
Okay. What's the sound?
Nest.
What's the sound of this one?
Some. Snake. Snake.
Look at the letters.
Pie.
Okay. Finish on a high.
Now. My baby. Baby.
Let's do this one.
Baby. No.
Yeah, that's right there, isn't it? Yeah, good job. Nice.
Neck.
Put it over there.